Hi, today in front of me HONOR X6a and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and let's go somewhere where we could check, and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and we could check our new keyboard look. Let's make it, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.